Hello, welcome to my YouTube page. Today I'm going to show you the wiring harnesses that you're going to need to take your V6 G8 and swap in an LS V8. So let's go check it out. Alright, so you can utilize these two wiring harnesses and fuse box in your own custom build as well. I read on some forums where people were utilizing this setup in a custom hot rod project. So to go along with that, my favorite tool when I was figuring this out was the Alldata DIY website. It provides all of the factory GM wiring harnesses and schematics that you would need for any type of swap. So I would recommend that, highly recommend that. So let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit on this V6 fuse block here, and we'll go ahead and show you how to swap in both the V8 engine harness and the V8 chassis harness. Okay, so the V6 G8 uses the same fuse block as the V8 version. I had two here in my shop and I verified that to be true. So really what you can do is, if you've got a V6 G8, swap in just the wiring harness. So the chassis wiring harness number is going to be 92202 569. That is the GM part number for the chassis wiring harness, which is this guy right here. What you'll do is as you can see, same thing. Okay. Now for the engine wiring harness, these two, this is the engine harness and this is the front wiring harness that goes to the lights and the light level sensors and things of that nature. So these two will have to be separated, and then you can install your V8 engine harness to this. So what you'll do is go ahead, put a small screwdriver into this lip back here, pry it out. That'll pop the front wiring harness that goes to the lights, and then you can go ahead and slip in your V8 engine harness. The V8 engine harness number is 92202 565. I'll have those numbers in the description as well. Alright, so as we can see, this is a V8 ECM. It's the E38 V8 from a G8 GT. And so what we'll do is go ahead and verify that these harnesses work together and plug in to the stock ECM. One here. Okay, there's engine. Chassis harness. And then as well, you will tie the two harnesses in together with a set of these as well. This harness here runs all the way through the firewall into the car down to the passenger side kick panel. So all of these will have to be removed from the 6-cylinder version. The 6-cylinder version will have one more connector on it that will connect to the transmission control module. In the V8, the transmission control module and the engine control module is in one piece. So just be advised of that. When you're pulling out your V6 wiring harness, make sure you get these two plus this, and then there will be one more that's plugged into the transmission control module. Hey, thanks again for viewing my YouTube page. As a bonus, I'm going to go ahead and give away those 2 wiring harnesses plus the E38 ECM to the 100th subscriber on my YouTube page. So, if you like what I'm doing, comment, subscribe. In fact, go ahead and let me know if you want to see a video on me running the V8 harness inside a V6 chassis. That way I can get an idea of where to take the channel. Thanks for your help. Hi everyone. I want to go ahead and go over the contest rules for the wiring harness giveaway. A couple of the requirements are, number 1 is go ahead and subscribe to Carswell's Customs channel. And then number 2 is, if you could pick one of your favorite videos and comment in the video. Down here in the comments, let me know if you'd rather see a Crown Victoria with a 454 Big Block swapped in, or a LS Supercharged Boat Build. Now the 100th subscriber gets two of the wiring harnesses and the E38 ECM that I showed in the LS wiring swap video. So the official rules are also on that video. So please share and subscribe to my channel, and let's build something wild.